Looking for the best underwater drones of 2025? Whether you're an explorer, photographer, or avid diver, we've got the top picks that combine advanced technology, stability, and high-quality visuals. In today's countdown, we'll explore the top 5 underwater drones that will elevate your underwater adventures. Stay tuned, and don't forget to check the links in the description for the best deals. Let's dive in. Number 5. QYSEA FIFISH V6 Expert M200A. Diving 660 feet deep with unmatched precision, the QYSEA FIFISH V6 Expert M200A is more than just an underwater drone. It's an industrial-grade ROV built for serious underwater exploration. Equipped with a 4K UHD camera, AI vision lock, and a fully functional robotic arm, this beast doesn't just capture the underwater world, it interacts with it. Its Q interface system allows for a modular tool attachment, making it perfect for marine research, underwater maintenance, or even deep-sea photography. The 6-hour battery life ensures long, uninterrupted missions, while the 360-degree omnidirectional movement gives you complete control in any direction. Built for professionals, this drone comes in an industrial-grade hard case, making it portable yet rugged enough for the harshest underwater environments. Whether you're inspecting ship hulls, conducting marine studies, or exploring shipwrecks, the FIFISH V6 Expert M200A delivers where it counts. Number 4. Chasing Gladius Mini S. Taking underwater exploration to the next level, the Chasing Gladius Mini S is a compact yet powerful underwater drone designed for professional and recreational users alike. Equipped with a 4K UHD camera and EIS anti-shake technology, it ensures crystal-clear footage even in turbulent waters. Whether you're capturing marine life, inspecting underwater structures, or exploring shipwrecks, this drone delivers breathtaking visuals with minimal distortion. One standout feature is its patented anti-jamming motor technology, which prevents debris from obstructing movement, ensuring smooth, uninterrupted dives. It also boasts a remote control and app-based navigation system, offering easy maneuverability at depths of up to 330 feet. With dual bright LED lights, a powerful battery, and a lightweight, travel-friendly design, the Gladius Mini S is perfect for adventurers, filmmakers, and underwater inspectors. If you're looking for reliability, precision, and stunning imagery, this drone is an absolute game-changer for underwater exploration. Diving into the third spot on our list is the FIFISH V-EVO, an underwater drone built for stunning visuals and precise maneuverability. With its 4K 60 FPS Ultra HD camera, this RV captures breathtaking underwater scenes in crystal-clear detail, making it a perfect choice for marine enthusiasts, filmmakers, and researchers. What sets the V-EVO apart is its 360 degrees omnidirectional movement, allowing smooth navigation in any direction. Whether you're inspecting shipwrecks, monitoring marine life, or conducting underwater research, its AI vision lock feature keeps your subject in perfect focus. Plus, with depth hold stabilization, you get steady, shake-free footage even in strong currents. The removable SD card ensures easy data transfer, while the VR control compatibility lets you experience a truly immersive dive. And let's not forget the robotic arm, adding a layer of functionality for collecting underwater samples or retrieving small objects. For those looking for high-tech innovation and cinematic quality footage, the FIFISH V-EVO is a top-tier choice for underwater exploration. Number 2. PowerVision Powerray Wizard. In the second spot, we have the PowerVision Powerray Wizard, a versatile underwater drone designed for exploration, diving, and boating enthusiasts. Equipped with a 4K Ultra HD camera, the Powerray captures stunning footage of underwater environments in rich, vibrant detail. Whether you're exploring coral reefs, documenting marine life, or conducting research, this drone ensures that your footage is sharp, clear, and breathtaking. One of the standout features of the Powerray is its live streaming capability, allowing you to broadcast your underwater adventures in real time. Its remote control system provides intuitive navigation, and the drone is built with dual motors for reliable movement through various water conditions. Additionally, the smart sonar system helps you locate fish and underwater objects, enhancing your exploration experience. For those who want to capture high-definition underwater footage with ease and efficiency, the Powerray Wizard is a perfect tool. It blends advanced technology with user-friendly design, making it a top contender for your underwater adventures. Taking the top spot, we have the Chasing Dory Underwater Camera, a compact powerhouse for underwater photography and exploration. With its 1080p Full HD resolution, the Chasing Dory ensures that every underwater scene is captured in stunning clarity, whether you're diving, fishing, or just exploring the deep blue. This camera's real-time observation feature allows you to view live footage, making it perfect for both recreational and professional use. Thanks to Bluetooth remote control and the intuitive app, controlling the camera and sharing your photos or videos is a breeze. One-click sharing ensures that you can instantly upload your stunning underwater shots to social media or send them to friends and family. Its lightweight and portable design make the Chasing Dory ideal for anyone looking for a user-friendly yet high-performance underwater camera. Whether you're an avid diver or a hobbyist, this camera delivers reliable and vibrant images with every use. That's our countdown of the top 5 best underwater drones in 2025. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more exciting tech reviews. Waterwave camera with lash. And that's a wrap on our top 5 underwater drones of 2025. We hope this list helps you find the perfect one for your next adventure. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews. Check the description for the best deals, and happy exploring!